In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your QuickBooks Online dashboard if you want your most important numbers front and center. The moment you sign in, this walkthrough will help you set up a clean, personalized view that works the way you do. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to the Home dashboard. This is your command center, and everything we do next will adjust what you see here. Look toward the top right and click the Customize button. This opens customization mode and unlocks the layout so you can rearrange, add, or remove sections without affecting your actual accounting data. To rearrange what's on the page, hover over any section card, click and hold it, and then drag it to your preferred spot. As you move a card, you'll notice areas where it can snap into place. Drop it where it makes the most sense for your workflow. Maybe put cash flow up top, sales to the side, or banking where you can glance at it quickly. Release the mouse to place it in its new location. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can keep dragging until it feels right. A quick tip: group related cards together so your eyes can scan from top to bottom in a logical order. If you want to see more insights on your dashboard, click Add Widgets at the top. You'll be shown a list of available widgets you can turn on. Choose the ones that help you the most, like a summary of expenses or a snapshot of invoices. Try not to overcrowd the dashboard. It's better to curate a handful of high-value widgets you'll check every day than to add everything and create visual noise. If there's a section you don't need, remove it by clicking Remove on that widget. This only hides it from your dashboard. It doesn't delete any underlying transactions or settings. You can always add it back later through Add Widgets. When you're happy with the layout, click Done, or simply exit the customization view. Your layout will be saved, so it loads the same way next time. These changes apply to your view, helping you focus on the numbers that matter most to you. That's the full process for customizing your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clean, simple, and tailored to your day. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.